Hello and welcome to Kent East Chiropractic. I'm Dr. Alan McCord, and I wanted to take a moment to say hello and welcome you to our family. Seriously, on behalf of myself and our entire Kent East Chiropractic team, I want you to know that we're very excited and truly grateful that you've decided to join us on your path for us to help you live well into your 80s, 90s, and 100s. No matter where you're at on the lifestyle care continuum, our top priority is getting you to a better place. We'll educate you on the process of your care and keep you informed on the progress through the continuum. Here's what you can expect from us. As a new patient or practice member, you may receive an email or a text message from us with valuable information like our business hour changes, appointment reminders, or other information we feel you'll need along your journey. We'll publish fresh content to our blog, and once that goes live, we'll send you an email with a short description of the new article and why we think it's important for you, and a link to read the full article. We'll listen to what you have to say. Your care is important to us, and if you feel we've made a misstep in any way, or you want to applaud us for breakthroughs that have happened during your time with us, we'll listen and respond. Sound good? Lastly, you may have received documents from us that will help us in preparing your journey. If so, now's a good time to complete them and send them back to us or bring them in on your next visit. Also, go ahead and join the Kent East Chiropractic's Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see informative videos that may answer any questions about your chiropractic care. Well, that's it for now. Thank you once again, and we'll see you soon.